Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we've had a request for biscuits and sausage gravy. For the biscuits, you'll need buttermilk, a stick of frozen butter, and flour. I use self-rising. First, I shred my butter. I roll the butter in the flour to help it shred better. You can use any kind of shredder. I just have the KitchenAid where Doug got me the shredder attachment. Now I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to set my oven to 450 and put this in the freezer until the oven heats up. I'm going to try to keep everything as cold as I can. This is Doug's sausage gravy recipe. It's really good. You'll need 2 pounds of sausage. Mine's canned. We use this old plantation sausage seasoning. You'll need pepper, salt, soy sauce, and milk. The oven has preheated. Now I'm going to add my buttermilk to my flour and butter mixture. I add around 1 to 1.5 cups. It's a wet dough. I mix this with a spoon instead of my hands to keep from melting the butter. You want to try to keep it as cold as possible. It's still a little dry, so I'm adding some more buttermilk. This is what it should look like. Then I put flour down on my cutting board, or you could use your counter, whatever you have. And then put the dough out on the flour. Then I sprinkle a little bit more flour on top, and then I'm going to fold this several times just until it's not sticky anymore. You don't want to work with it too much, but just fold it. This makes layers in your biscuits. Add a little flour when it gets sticky, and then start pressing it out. You'll want to butter your pan. I use my cast iron pan. You could use any pan you want. When you cut the biscuits, you go just straight down. Don't twist. This cuts off the layers if you twist it. Then the leftover dough, just do a couple more folds and do it again. Little biscuit, just roll it up and put it on your pan. You'll want to put your biscuits close together. That'll help them rise better. And then put it in the oven for 15 minutes. While those are baking, we'll start on the gravy. Sausage till it's browned. I just mainly need to heat mine up. Flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of the sausage seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Out of the oven, you just want to take some butter or lard and put over top your biscuits. Now our sausage has heated up. I'm going to take off some of the sausage and put it in a bowl. Add just a splash of soy sauce, flour mixture, and just stir. You want to cook the flour a little bit before you add the milk, making a roux. A couple minutes, start adding your milk in. And then just add a little bit more when it starts to thicken up. And you keep adding milk until it's the way you want your gravy. Just remember, when it cools off, it's gonna start getting thick. So you might want to thin it out as a little bit more than you like.
Alrighty folks, this is how I do mine. I just get me a couple biscuits, tear them in half, put some of this gravy, now Carolyn's already got sausage in it, but I always like to get a little bit of sausage that she set out to the side there first. Sprinkle over it. Alrighty. Now Carolyn's going to show you how she does hers.
Okay, I use a bowl and I tear my biscuit up. Hot. And pour my gravy over. Then add some on top. And there you have it, biscuits and gravy. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.